Hi everyone, I'm Lexi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about this advent calendar. So it's got like a shine on it. I don't know about you guys, but my Facebook feed has blown up with advertisements for these like rock and roll themed advent calendars, and a lot of them are David Bowie, but they have like every band you can think of, and they look almost too good to be true. The websites are super weird. Like there aren't really pictures of like an actual box. It looks just like a collage made in Photoshop of like the items you could get. But some of those items don't exist. My husband is a Funko Pop collector, and some of the Funko Pops they show either don't exist or are worth a ton of money, like way more than the value of the box. So I wanted to get it just to see if this really was a scam. The website is weird. Oh, hi, it's my cat. So when I went to the website to buy it, it was like FNFNOO, FNF new, something like that. Now if I go to that website, it redirects me to another one, which is like GDS something something. Super sketchy. I did some sort of like check to see if it's a scam, and the internet said it was suspect. But anyway, I ordered it and I didn't think anything was going to show up. So I filed a PayPal claim because I hadn't heard anything for a couple weeks. And then I filed a dispute, and then all of a sudden they sent tracking, and then this just showed up. So it is real. It is not what I expected. I'm going to be opening it up today. It is actually like, it's like a tackle box, like a box that you would get to divide things up. You can kind of like see through it. There are sections in here that's like a jewelry organizer. I'm going to be reusing this to organize like the screws and nails in my hardware area. But yeah, this is definitely I'm dying to know what's in it, so I'm going to open it up just so that you guys are, if you're wondering if it's like a scam, or if you guys see this advertised to you, you can know what's inside of it. But yeah, so it's just, I gotta hand it to them. This is kind of a clever way to take an existing product, like an existing like organizer, and they just put like the sticker over it that has perforated pockets in it, and so it's already made. I was expecting like a cardboard box with perforated cutouts, and then there's like a plastic tray in the inside where the stuff is actually sitting. That's what I was expecting. This is not that. It's very different. So the lid kind of does come all the way off, but like it's not broken. It's made to come off that way. So we're gonna get started. Starting with day one. What is in day one? Oh my gosh, you guys. No. This is absolutely a scam. Day one is Piglet. Okay. Yeah, all right. Day two is, ooh, let's see what this is. Oh, you guys, it's Tigger. So this is my David Bowie advent calendar. Tigger. Okay. Okay. Day three. Oh, look at this. You guys, it's Piglet again. Yeah, cool. Absolutely a scam. Absolutely nothing to do with David Bowie. Ooh, this one is a Flash figurine. The Flash. That's great. Day five is right here, and it is a some sort of truck I'm supposed to assemble myself. Some sort of truck. Okay, yeah. This was like $50 too. Day six, ooh, you guys, it's Rabbit from Winnie the Pooh again. This is fantastic. Okay, let's see what other David Bowie stuff I'm gonna get. Ooh, number seven is some sort of possibly knockoff Funko of the Black Panther, and his like arms and legs are hollow. Really cheaply made. Okay, that was day seven. Let's see. Oh my God, you guys, I don't even know what this is. I don't even know what this is. I mean, it's definitely none of this stuff is David Bowie, but like, what is this? What is this? What character from what show is this? I don't know. You got Day 9 is possibly Thanos, something like that, some character from the Marvel comic universe. I don't even know. Day 10, let's see, day 10 is, ooh, a big guy. Oh, 10 has 2 things in it. Wow, okay. So I've got some sort of knockoff weird Spider-Man character and whatever this is. Whatever this is. Very David Bowie. Excellent, yeah. So, you know, I was hoping when I got this, because I could see through that there were like things inside, I was like, okay, maybe they're like knockoff Funkos. Maybe they're like, you know, illegal copy reproductions. No, this is, ooh, another Spider-Man. That was day, oh, I accidentally skipped ahead. That was day 13. Day 11, ooh, yeah, okay, we got a second. You guys, I'm just gonna rip this all off. There's no point. Okay, so yeah, you can see here, this is just nothing to do with David Bowie. Anything. This is the little Marvel characters. Another, you know, multiple of the same. Like, I don't even know what these are. You guys, I got some race cars. So, long story short, this is a total scam. Don't waste your money. Look at this one, a saxophone. Actually, when we've got this and we held it up to the light to kind of see what was through, we saw a saxophone and we were like, a saxophone. But we're like, maybe it has to do with David Bowie. Maybe there's like we're seeing the saxophone, but there's something else with it because, you know, music or whatever. No. Oh, and look at this, you guys. I got Elsa. Yeah, this is good. This is like a 5-minute video because it was so quick to find out that this was a total scam. Wonder Woman, guys. Very David Bowie. Very David Bowie. So, I used PayPal to pay for this, so I am going to be attempting to get my money back from PayPal. I know it can be hard if they do send you something, like you have a tracking number, PayPal says, oh, well, you got it. But I think I'm gonna show them this video and show that this is a total scam, guys. Don't waste your money. Thanks for coming here today and spending a few minutes opening this shitty little advent calendar with me. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.